Are you looking for the best moisture meters in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best moisture meters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Lignomat Mini-Ligno E wood moisture meter. If you're looking for a wood moisture meter within a limited budget, the Lignomat Mini-Ligno E makes for an ideal choice. The advanced Lignomat technology and unique LED display in this moisture meter make it suitable for use in different work settings. We wanted a moisture meter for testing firewood and construction lumbers. The Mini-Ligno E cost us about a quarter of what we were about to pay for high-end models. After checking out the product specifications and functionality, we found this unit to be as good as its competitors. Mini-Ligno E features a wide measurement range from about 6% to 45% moisture content. It is pretty accurate, mainly because it measures in increments of 0.1%. It also comes with a green cap that covers the pins and works as a handle for easy probe insertion. To get a reading, we need to insert 2 pins into the testing wood. You can also adjust to the different wood thicknesses. We can use either 3/16 or 7/16 pins. Since it comes with only 2 settings, it is comparatively easier to use this device than many other complicated models. However, the setting is only applicable to domestic wood, which limits its potential. Hence, if we have to measure some exotic wood, we need to get a different moisture meter. Up next in the 4th place is the Wagner Orion 910 wood moisture meter. The Wagner Orion 910 is known to be one of the best wood meters for giving accurate measurements. It offers a deep depth measurement and many other advanced features, which include easier functionality and on-site calibration. For wood flooring work, it's critical to have a quality wood meter to ensure that we get the most accurate readings. This model has been flourishing in the market for years altogether, which showcases the quality of this product. The Wagner Orion 910 was the best option for us because it's a contactless moisture meter that doesn't require any probe insertion. To measure the moisture content, we just have to place the meter on the wood to get the readings within max 30-35 seconds. What we found was that the readings were reliable enough to determine the moisture content of the wood, with the device working within 0.1 increments. Moreover, we can program the device to work with different kinds of wood, be it domestic or exotic. And the other advantage that is worth mentioning here is that it scans down to 0.75 inches. This gives us an accurate reading of the moisture content at varying depths in the wood. It took us some time to get used to the device, but once we got used to it, we were able to get the best use out of it. The 3rd product on our list is the General Tools MMH 800 Woodworking Moisture Meter Tool. The General Tools MMH 800 has an interesting operation, as it fuses both pinned and pinless meters into one single unit. So, you can use either of the settings, which depends on the type of work that you've in hand. This unit is designed to meet the demands of the budget-conscious user, and it's relatively easy to use both settings. We were a bit confused about the type of moisture meter that we wanted, because both the pinned and contactless meters have their own set of pros and cons. This moisture meter most likely suits our needs with its concept of a fused pinless and pinned meter. Hence, it provides the versatility that we couldn't find in the other models at a reduced cost. You can also record the readings that help you recheck them whenever required. This is a pretty useful feature that comes in handy when we do not have the option to write down the numbers. The wet and dry functions of the meter are also on point, which lets us know whether to work with a particular wood or not. But we usually don't rely on this meter to measure woods that have low moisture content, as it's hard for it to record measurements below 8 to 9%. In such cases, we believe that opting for a slightly expensive model is a better option. Second on our list is the General Tools MMD4E Moisture Meter for wood. Moisture meters are one of the handiest tools, especially when you're working on a flooded basement that requires rebuilding. This moisture meter helps you significantly in such a situation. This is a high-quality product that comes at a very affordable price and works pretty well in delivering reliable results. We are generally assigned projects that deal with wet or damp flooring, so we must carry a moisture meter that gives accurate readings. And we must say that the quality of this product returns all the value for the money we pay for it. You can use this moisture meter for measuring wood and other building materials to check if there is any leakage or moisture in the subflooring. One of the standout features of this moisture meter is that it comes with an effective drywall function that can be used for measuring the moisture content in the subflooring. The MMD4E has a pin-type meter, which means that the two sharp prongs need to come in contact with the material to give the readings. However, it's also not very accurate when it comes to measuring the moisture content in drying wood. We are satisfied with the functions of this product, and the accuracy issue is manageable. Finally, the top product on our list is the Extech Mo55 Combination Moisture Meter. The Extech Mo55 is a combination of pin and pinless meters that makes it easier to measure the moisture content of all types of wood. You can use this device for measuring the moisture content in concrete, mortar, wallboard, and cardboard. Additionally, it also has the ability to measure low, medium, and high levels of moisture, which adds to its versatility. We wanted a moisture meter that would detect the moisture content in a wide range of wood and building particles. With this device, we could detect moisture content from low to higher levels given any measurement range. When we use this meter for measuring moisture levels, the device starts beeping faster and faster as it detects a decreasing temperature. The energy-efficient battery life is another advantage because we can be assured that the device will work for a reasonable amount of time before breaking down. Moreover, the pins on this meter offer great measurement because they can be inserted to about 1 inch below the wood surface. It comes mostly to use for building projects that help us detect moisture on floors, tiles, and even under carpets. We also find it efficient enough to detect leakage behind walls and ceilings. So, although we are satisfied with the performance of this moisture meter, its expensive price tag could be a major setback for many. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.